Do you know that Wikipedia is the most visited website, surpassing even Instagram and TikTok? In today's video, I'll teach you how to generate content for your YouTube channel using Wikipedia and AI tools in just few simple steps. You won't need to do extensive topic research anymore, as with these simple steps, you can prepare your content for YouTube. So let's get started with our video. First, you need to select a topic or niche for your video. To do this, you will go to BARD.ai and type top 10 most popular Wikipedia niches. BARD.ai will generate a list of top niches and you can select one. For example, if I chose technology as my niche, I would then just type 10 most popular articles about technology on Wikipedia. Next, we select a specific topic from this list. Let's say I chose artificial intelligence. I would paste this topic into Wikipedia search bar and find the relevant page. Once I have the page, I copy the link and go back to BARD.ai, where I type prompt like please rewrite this article in 500 words or less and paste the Wikipedia link. This way, BARD.ai generate content based on our chosen topic. If your topic feels too lengthy, you can create shorter versions to work with. Now let's move on to the next step, how to generate our video. For this, I will introduce you to two tools. First, let's start with Elai.ai. You will need to go to their website and you will see an interface like this. First, sign up using your Google account, then navigate to the videos section. Here you can choose from a variety of templates to create your video. I am not selecting a template here because I am going to customize my own. Next, go to avatar library and choose an avatar. I have selected an avatar that fits my video's theme. Now you have options for images, videos, stickers and elements that you can add to your video. For example, I clicked on video and type artificial intelligence to find relevant videos. From the result, I choose a video that fits my video's content and edit it to the background. This way you can add visuals to enhance your video's quality. So once we have added our videos and the avatar, we can arrange their positions. Simply click on them, then click forward to bring the avatar forward. Continue adjusting the avatar and video setting until it looks good to you. Next, you will find a speech option here. This is where you will paste the script you prepared earlier using BARD.ai. You can paste the first paragraph or line here. Make sure to add relevant videos elements to match the script content. Now let's select the voice for our video. You have various options to choose from. I have selected a voice that suits my video. After choosing the voice, click apply it to all clips. Next, click next slide to prepare the next slide. Again, select the avatar and paste the second part of your script from BARD.ai. Search for a related video and adjust it in the background. Continue this process for each slide. Once all slides are ready, click render to start rendering process. After a few minutes, your video will be ready for download. It typically takes about 2 minutes. Once your video is ready, you will also receive an email notification. Let's see how the video turns out when we download it.
AI research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis. The field of AI is broad and encompasses many different approaches. Some of the most common AI techniques include machine learning. This is a type of AI that allows machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data, and they can then use that data to make predictions or decisions.
Amazing. Now let's prepare a video using another tool called agent.com. It's an easy to use tool and quite popular. We will create a video related to history this time. First, using BARD.ai, search for the top 10 most popular topics, select history and find the most visited topic on Wikipedia related to history. Copy the Wikipedia URL of your chosen topic and paste it into BARD.ai. Generate a shorter version of the content for free. Now when you visit Agent, you will need to sign up. After signing up, you will see an interface like this where you can select an avatar. You can also customize your avatar if you prefer. Choose a template, and if you are making a video for YouTube, then select landscape, then select an avatar for your video. Here you can choose between close-up, half body or circle view for your avatar. Adjust your avatar as needed. Search for a relevant video in the background. In my case, I chose a video related to ancient Egypt. Since my topic is about ancient history, copy the first part of your script from BARD.ai. Click on text script here and paste it. You will have various voice options to choose from. Select the one you like the best. Prepare all your slides in similar manner. When ready, click submit. Your video will start rendering. Once it's ready for download, you can save it.
Ancient Egypt was a civilization in northeast Africa, concentrated along the lower reaches of the Nile River in the place that is now the country Egypt. Egyptian civilization followed prehistoric Egypt and coalesced around 3100 BC, according to conventional Egyptian chronology, with the political unification of Upper and Lower Egypt under Men's, often identified with Nama. The history of ancient Egypt occurred as a series of stable kingdoms, separated by periods of relative instability known as intermediate periods. The Old Kingdom of the early...
Now you can see how well our video turned out. You can create and boost your YouTube content using these tools. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the Skillput AI channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.